So today I decided I will go for a walk out here. This is my home area. Out here is very dry, but the area is growing super fast, and there are so many beautiful buildings that are coming. So whenever I'm tired, sometimes I take a nature walk out here so as I can have a good time just walking alone in these bushes. You can see. This area. So this is how the place is like. You can see like this building here, it's very beautiful. And there are lorries which are coming to pour some building materials. So construction is still ongoing here. And so many other places here. People have built their home. And that is how it is. Beautiful area. Oh, this owner of this plot here has decided to create his own road by pouring some maram here, and there's a CCTV. Let me just go near this plot. You see how it is. Isn't this amazing? Some boys just riding a bike there. Amazing. There's a CCTV here. So it's a very secure area. Sometimes it's healthy to just have a nature walk to stretch your muscles and to keep fit. Yeah, when I came in this area, this school was very functional, but right now I don't know whether it is still functional because I don't see any kids around here anymore. So it's called Oasis Preparatory School. It was a secondary school then, but now it is not a school anymore. I don't think it is functional because I don't see any kids coming towards this side. In this area there are so many beautiful homes that have been built around this place. Yeah. And that is the end of this road. These are just my neighbors around here. Yeah. So many beautiful homes. People are creating their own roads. Yeah. Beautiful places. Beautiful. It's a very swampy area, but when one builds, you forget about the swamp that is there because you can see there's a lot of swamp, but people are really building this place and you can't even see the swamp anymore. When I came here, all these homes were not there. That is on 2020. And right now, the place is fully occupied with beautiful houses. So let me just go back and pass through here. This is somebody's plot which has not been built. This one here. So I can just trespass. You can see beautiful homes. You can see they are beautiful plots here. People have built their own homes. On this side of Oasis, people have built bungalows. Very many houses around this area which are bungalows and very beautiful. You can see. You can imagine, guys, when I came here, this place was not built, but now it's full already. You can see beautiful homes around here. You can see beautiful houses. I just come around here and stroll and admire this area. I don't want to go very far. Let me just reach there and go back because it's quite late and I want to do a lot of house chores. So I'm on my way back home because of time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.